welcome to the Fresh from Florida Test Kitchen. I'm Chef Justin, and today we are working with the always amazing Florida sweet corn. Now we have a fun and kind of trendy dish that we're making today. We're gonna do a fresh from Florida elote salad. Many of you may hear the word elote and that will make you think of the Latin style street corn. But ours, we are gonna serve salad style in a bowl, and so it'll be off the cob, really easy to eat, but we're also gonna show you the versatility of this recipe. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna take my chef's knife. I'm gonna go ahead and make a cut straight down, and then I'm gonna rotate my corn, and I'm gonna continue to cut down, removing the kernels from this corn. So in our medium skillet, now I'm just gonna add a little bit of olive oil. You could use a little butter if you'd like. Now at this point, I'm also gonna add a little bit of garlic because I want some of this cooked garlic flavor in as well. Let this cook. And this whole process is only gonna take about 2 minutes of cooking at the most. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting my Florida sweet peppers. I've got a couple nice Florida sweet peppers here, as well as a jalapeno pepper. I like mine a little bit spicy, so if you don't want yours too spicy, you don't have to add the jalapeno. So let's go ahead and get our cut Florida sweet bell peppers and jalapenos in our mixing bowl here. This smells deliciously sweet already. It's got a little caramelization on it. That's exactly what we're looking for. You can see these beautiful colors and textures already. I'm gonna take some of my fresh cilantro. I'm just gonna run my knife through it just a little bit here. Okay, next, let's go ahead and add our lime juice. We need lots of lime juice in here. I've got a little bit of smoked paprika and a little bit of chili powder going in. The smoked paprika is gonna give it another great depth of flavor. Next, we're gonna add a little bit of mayonnaise. Now this is gonna help make it nice and creamy. We've got most of our ingredients in our fresh from Florida sweet corn elote style salad here. We just need to add one more thing, and that is the Queso Fresco. Now, if you can't find this cheese, then you can use a feta cheese or even Parmesan cheese, work really well in this recipe. Our Florida elote salad is looking and smelling delicious. So let's go ahead and plate this up. So here we have our fresh from Florida sweet corn elote salad, and we've made it into a dip and served it with some chips. We could serve this with some fresh veggies as well. We're also serving it on a bed of romaine with a little bit of avocado dressing as a salad. This would make a wonderful meal. You could add a little chicken to it as well. Remember, Florida sweet corn is in peak season, October through June, and is absolutely delicious. In the meantime, I'm Chef Justin, and remember, keep cooking.